welcome back to another episode of Maintenance with Mike. So you can tell in my voice, I don't have my movie star voice on this week. A little bit under the weather, just getting over the flu. But I thought I'd share with you something that I experienced the other day. Got a few headlamps here that I've tried out. I was siliconing our shower the other day, and now as I'm getting older, I need to wear reading glasses. So while you're siliconing and lifting your head up to see through the reader, the headlamp moves. So we're going to talk about that today. Some tips and tricks, some pros and cons to each different type of headlamp that is out on the market today. We've got a few that we've looked at, so let's get started. So let's talk about the Night Buddy headlamp. First of all, great headlamp for all-purpose lighting. I love this headlamp so far. It's been excellent for what I use it for. And I love the ability to be able to turn it on and off with waving your hand. That's pretty cool. It gives you really good general lighting, but I found a problem with it when I was siliconing our shower enclosure. You can't angle it. So when you have the headlamp on and you want to do like some sort of focus lighting, which is the side beam here, what happens is when I've got light on my hand right now and I want to look up to be able to see where I'm siliconing because I have readers to be able to actually see the silicone that close, the headlamp moves 12 inches up. So I'm not actually lighting the product that I'm working on anymore, which inherently is a problem. So the Night Buddy is great for general lighting, working on vehicles in an engine bay and stuff like that. Totally fine. What I found for siliconing worked out really well was that, you know, you've got your standard headlamp now, maybe one that more people are familiar with. I've got it on my hand, so when I go to look at my readers, yes, it moves 12 inches up, but I can also tilt the angle of the head. That is the game changer when you're siliconing an enclosure and you need to have your head up to look through the readers. That's the only way to go, in my opinion. Do you need both? Well, yeah, sort of. The Night Buddy is great for general purpose lighting, but you need to be able to adjust that head on your headlamp. So when you look up to look through your readers, you can actually still light the product. So that's a short and sweet video for you guys today. Night Buddy was the general purpose lighting one, and this is just a standard LED headlamp, rechargeable, which is cool. You can plug it in and charge it from Amazon. We've got two of them for like 20-something bucks, so I can't go wrong with that. So if you like these videos, maybe consider subscribing to the channel, share them with a family member or friend, and we will see you on the next one. Cheers.